Ready? Go get it again. Okay. Oh, where'd you go?
It's just giving you some different action shots.
No.
It's around the chimney.
Okay. Ready? Ready? Go get it. Okay. Now bring it here. Here I am. Nope, nope. Give it. Look at that face. Oh. Where's my cupcake? You want a cupcake. Ready? Go get it. Okay. Wait, give it. Okay. Ready?
She like circle around and do the same thing. She's like,
Go get it. Give it. Okay. You don't want to chase it anymore, do you?
why is Dad's phone here? Does he still use that one?
He has his new phone.
Give it. Give it. Give it. Give it. Give it. Give it.
Flower does that all the time.
Give it. Give it. Drop.
Yeah, solar powered.
Give me that cupcake.
It's a happy.
Ready? Go get it.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, one of my kids, well, that one I bought myself, but one of my kids in my class at the end of last year.